Hello, my fellow Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth and last Sudoku of yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, February the 3rd, 2021. Yes, today is Thursday, February the 4th. There are no extra Sudokus in today's newspaper, so I will continue with the Sudokus of yesterday in additional. And this will be number 2276. Alright, so let's get started. And let me count the printed digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 printed digits. And the first strategy is to find the single box. Can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. I see here a single box. Dual boxes. Do we see here dual boxes? Yes, dual boxes. The 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Alright. And here also 1 and a 2, but because we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 2 goes there. More dual boxes. No, triple boxes here. Triple box. Quadra box. Here also. Triple box. Quadra box. No. Alright. And in all the tectonics, the couple of views ago, yes, I've mentioned some figures or shapes you need to recognize. For example, this shape, you can rotate it in 4 directions, but if you have this kind of shape, it's important to know this digit is the same as that digit, has the same number. Do we have more? Yes. This one is also rotated. This digit is the same as that digit. Alright. Here we have also another same figure or shape or construction. This digit is the same as that digit. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yes, here we have another one. This digit is the same as that digit. Alright, we have here an L shape. That means this digit is the same as that digit. Okay, do we have more L shape with 5 boxes? No. Z construction, yes, the Z. That means this digit is the same as that digit. So this should be a 1. But also this digit is the same as that digit. Alright, so this is a 1, so this should be a 1. Because, why is this a 1? Because those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. It's connected with that box, so this should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1 box left in this Z construction. Should be a 3. Alright. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. All right. Look. This area, one of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. So no 3s in these 3 boxes. Here also a 3. No 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. That means this box is connected with that box. So this should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this can be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 5. Alright. I think. No. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Alright, a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes and there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box. No. Let me see. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 1 because we have a triple box here. If I place a 1 here, then these 3 boxes, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 3 boxes. So this should be a 4. And this should be a 1. Then. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 2. The 1 and the 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes. 5. All right. Those two boxes cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. These three boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be here. Two boxes left, the 2 and a 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. So this should be also a 2. And this box is connected with that box. So this should be also a 2. But this box is also connected with that box. So this should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. One box left in this cross shape. This should be a 1. Two boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Two numbers left, the 1 and the 5 in this area. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Yeah. Triple box 1, 2, and 3. We see here 1, so no 1 there. We see here 3, no 3 there. So 1 digit left should be the 2. The 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and the 3. Alright. These. No. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 5. And this should be a 4. Okay. And now, let me see. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 3. Now we have a 1 there, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 digit left in this triple box for the 2. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be the 1. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic with 1 star. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Friday. I will do a speed test. Yes, because it's the first Friday of the month February. So tomorrow I do a speed test. See you then. Bye bye for now.